this is another question of relative velocity, and this is NCERT solved example. Question is that two parallel rail tracks run north-south. Train A moves north with a speed of 54 km per hour and train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour. What is the first case? Relative velocity of B with respect to A. Second, relative velocity of ground with respect to B. Third, velocity of a monkey runs on the roof of the train A against the motion with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to the train A, as observed by a man standing on the ground. Okay, now see what we have done. We have taken the two railway track running from north to south, but we have taken the direction from south to north as a positive direction. ओके, तो साउथ से नॉर्थ की ओर की जो डायरेक्शन जा रही है उसको हमने कंसीडर किया पॉजिटिव, मीन्स अलोंग द पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस. क्लियर? नाउ द एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी ऑफ ट्रेन ए इज गिवन 54 km per hour. Convert it into the meter per second by multiplying 1000 divided by 3600 means 5/18, 15 meter per second. Now according to question, the train A moves with the speed of this and train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour. तो ट्रेन A तो जा रही है नॉर्थ की तरफ, मीन्स पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन की ओर, बट द ट्रेन B इज मूविंग इन दी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन टूवर्ड्स साउथ. सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ VB and this is the direction of VA. Clear? That is why I have written minus 90 km per hour, because it is moving along the negative x-axis. So you have got minus 25 meter per second. Now calculate the relative velocity of B with respect to A, because your first question is relative velocity of B with respect to A. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. What you will write? VBA, and this will be VB minus VA. Okay, this will be VB minus VA. I have written, but now here you will apply the sign. Here VB is given negative, so you will apply minus 25 value of VB and minus VA 15. Okay, so you have got VBA is equal to minus, that is 40 meter per second. Now see, you have got the relative velocity of B with respect to A, and this is what? This is the minus sign. This minus sign indicates that observer in train A, the train B appears to move with a speed of 40 meter per second from north to south. मीन्स इस ट्रेन में जो ऑब्जर्वर बैठा है उसको जो ये ट्रेन बी जो है ये तो आगे जा रहा है, तो अब ये नेगेटिव वेलोसिटी मिली, इसका मतलब इन दोनों के बीच का सेपरेशन बढ़ेगा. दैट इज़ वाई फॉर एन ऑब्जर्वर सिटिंग इन अ ए appears that train B is moving towards north to south, opposite direction, negative direction, because you have got negative, with a rate of 40 meter per second, means with a speed of 40 meter per second. जो ऑब्जर्वर ए में बैठा है उसको B नेगेटिव यानी कि नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन में जाती हुई दिखाई दे रही है with speed of 40 meter per second, and negative sign indicate the separation between them goes on increasing. It is moving forward and it is moving at the back. Now the second condition is you have to find out relative velocity of ground with respect to B. So relative velocity of the ground with respect to B, how you will write? Relative velocity of ground with respect to B. Now you will write V0B, or you can write VGB, relative velocity of ground with respect to B. What you will write? Vg minus Vb. But ground velocity is equal to what? 0. So you will write 0 minus, what is this? This is 25 meter per second. So you will substitute here minus 25 meter per second. So you have got VGB is equal to 25 meter per second. So what is the meaning of this condition? The meaning of this, that Earth appears to move with the speed of 25 meter per second from south to north, means for an observer inside B, इस ट्रेन B के अंदर जो ऑब्जर्वर बैठा है उसको अर्थ मूव करती हुई दिखाई दे रही है from south to north direction, positive direction, because you have got positive velocity. So this indicate the observer in B appears that the earth is moving from south to north direction with the speed of 25 meter per second. Now after that, the third part is that the velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to train A as observed by the man standing on the ground. अब इस ट्रेन, जो कि ट्रेन ये आगे जा रही है टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, इसके ऊपर एक मंकी है, वो इस ट्रेन के ऊपर रन कर रहा है अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. कहा ना उसने अगेंस्ट द मोशन. तो दिस इज मूविंग अगेंस्ट द मोशन ऑफ ए विद द रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी. दिस इज 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज व्हाट? This is the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train. It is given. The monkey is moving with the velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to the train. So train is also moving, monkey is also moving. So this 18 km per hour is what? This is the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Okay, this is 18 km per hour. But this relative velocity is what? Is in the opposite direction, means towards the south. So this must be negative. Okay, तो ट्रेन ए आगे जा रही है, मंकी उसके अगेंस्ट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इस रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी के साथ मूव कर रहा है. तो रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन किधर है? टुवर्ड्स साउथ. दैट इज व्हाई इट शुड बी नेगेटिव. सो यू विल राइट relative velocity of relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A. With respect to train A, that is given V M A minus 18 kilometer per hour. So when you will solve it, you will be getting minus 5 meter per second. Okay, minus 5 meter per second. Now you will write this expression VMA. So this will be VM minus VA. Okay, now it is given this is minus 5 and you have to find out the velocity of monkey with respect to earth. This is the question. You have to find out the velocity of monkey with respect to earth, and the velocity of A is given, that is you have considered here that velocity is 15 meter per second. So this is 15 meter per second. Now take this velocity in this direction. Vm is equal to what? You will be getting minus 5 okay, and plus 15. So what you have got, Vm is equal to 10 meter per second. So this is the velocity, actual velocity of the monkey with respect to actual velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So if an observer is standing on the ground, the monkey is appear on the train A is moving towards the north direction with the speed of 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इस ऑब्जर्वर को ये मंकी ऐसा लगेगा कि वो 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ जा रहा है, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉट पॉजिटिव वेलोसिटी.